Good morning and welcome to Trip with the Skeldons. Today we're here in Minehead on an annual holiday with my family from 4 points of the country in England, and we're here, Minehead. So as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Minehead. You've got the National Coast Watch on the front, some toilet facilities. Dogs are allowed on the beach at this time of year. It's currently February, half term. Schools are out. Butlins is heaving. To be fair, Butlins is over here. We're all staying on this resort. My dad from Redditch, my brother's from Cheltenham, me from Staffordshire, and my Paul, my littlest brother, from Devon. So yeah, we're here. As soon as you get there, like the beautiful blue skies, beautiful to see. Big fishing boat out there, I think it is. Not too sure, to be honest, but anyway. Little playground here on the front for the kids, which is quite nice. Down there we have McDonald's and a few selected shops, but we're currently walking down towards, I don't know what you call it really. There's not a lot in Minehead as such, but with Butlins being here, only one of 3 in England, it draws a lot of people here. I mean, me and Layla and my kids, we absolutely adore it at Butlins. You know, it's got absolutely everything for the kids. I mean, this weekend, the highlight of the weekend is the Masked Singer. You got the new Skyline Gang, which is being announced today. So the first show is dropping today. A bit of a playground on the front here. It's quite nice, to be honest. Some residential apartments. Morning. Few runners coming down. I've seen several of them this morning. Bit daft, to be honest. Travelled down with a GoPro and didn't look inside after editing, and there was no memory card. So I had to quickly nip out to Argos to get one. Never mind. Dogs are allowed on the beach until May. Morning. Morning. Oh, that's called North Hill over there. Here it is, past and present. So I'll give you a bit of a show of this. You have to get the Minehead Maritime Mile Trail, the app. Look at that. New Minehead swimming pool right on the front. Nice. cross over here and show you what these are. It's quite early in the morning, just gone 9 AM. We've got the Adventure Centre. These are the events it offers. So it offers stand-up paddleboarding, flat tactic kayaking, beach gaming activities, rafting, tree climbing and paragliding. Everyone's traditional favourite, fish and chips on the seafront. Amusement arcades, but like I said, it's still a bit early, so it's not open yet. Then we've got the indoor market. So we have a look, shall we? So you've got your buckets and spades, your rock. Everyone loves a bit of rock. Splash and play. Might be quite good to get some cheaper stuff from here than on Butlins, because obviously, as you're aware, they're probably more expensive there. Actually, I might pick Chandler up some of these. Only $1.99, to be honest. Get him some of them. Look at that, $1.99. They're £7 in Butlins. You got little quads when they're open, £2 each. Little track, decent for the kids. Look at all the fudge and biscuits. All the sweets. Lovely. So more arcades. I'll say it's a bit disappointing it's not just open yet. Ice cream factory. Like I said, it's very early on in the season, isn't it? Oh, is it okay? Let's have a quick look. It's only over 18s at the moment, so the beach up gifts. Fresh donuts, oh god. Seaview takeaway, another fish and chip shop on the seafront. There we have the old steam train. Sorry. Yeah, I can't go in because it's no entrance to the public, but as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. Some old tradition. So we can get around this side, have a look. Yeah, West Somerset Railway. Got a turntable cafe. Minehead Museum. The Beach Hotel. Got the Jubilee Gardens Cafe over there. So we're walking up into the town now. Woolly and Wild, a souvenir shop. Oh, yeah. Body Arts there, Hold Fast, Exmoor Vape. Very popular at the moment, the vapes, aren't they? Bramwell's Coffee Shop. Over there you've got Blinding Suits, Somerset Bridals. They go hand in hand, them two, don't they? Flapjackery, oh god, luxury flapjacks. Oh, Monthly World. Traditional handcrafted marshmallows, eh? Hair and nail salon, a little bit of heaven, a salt rock. One London over there. Got Stone's Bar and Restaurant. Looks quite nice for a little meal, a bistro.
Oh.
Smoked pizza and grill house. Shades. Wheelhouse snack bar. Derek Mercer. Some shops. That's selling some beans over there. Discount bag and leather goods. For all you lovely women out there. Enjoy it. Traditional Turkish barbers. That's where I had my hair cut, to be fair. Turkish barbers. Clapper's outlet store. Ziang's. The Cod shop. Another fish and chip shop. Coffee beans, breakfast, lunch and coffee. Community bookshop.
It's not on the base, it's on the, what you call it, it's on the side. The last one was on the base.
The Wheelhouse Restaurant. Well, this hairy dog pub and restaurant here. It's got an adventure playground in the background, so that's quite useful for the kids. Stop and have a pint. Huge play area. Sky Sports. Are you avid football fans? I'm a big West Brom fan, to be fair. Season ticket holder. Some of us got a bit, I suppose. Food, bar, music, 21 over there. Look at that. And see a change from Butlins at Ladbrokes. And proper job. They seem to have this at almost every holiday seaside resort in the UK, and it always has everything you need to offer. So yeah, big thumbs up on them for me. Some clothing over there. A couple of charity shops. Cocktail bar. It's got a co-op on here and a post office. Got an Indian cuisine over there, Taj Mahal, lovely. This seems to be quite a busy cafe. I might pop and get a coffee from here. Oh, it's got a cinemas, guys. Perfect. That's good, isn't it? All films, all times, just £4. That's really good. Oh, it's only card only, no more cash.
Do you know how old I am?
Everybody's favourite of Poundland. Iceland. Mr. Criddles. The Icon Bakery. The Oggy Oggy Pastry Company. Hummingbird. W.H. Smith. More barbers over there. Holland and Barrett. It's got a Greg's. It's got a Greg's. Oh, a little bit busy. Boots. That guy seems to have a good look what I was doing. The Works. Another famous classic, Argos. I had to go there this morning to get a memory card. Superdrug. Card Factory. Market House. Santander. British Heart Foundation. Cancer Research. Age UK. Trespass, decent little shop. Specsavers, Knickerbocker Glory lingerie. And at the very top of the town, guys, you've got the cheapest pub around, Wetherspoons. And food, to be honest, really good. Ideal, that is, absolutely ideal. So I ended up getting a coffee in the end from Glenmore Bakery. A white Americano. £2.40. Really good, really reasonable, to be honest. I do enjoy a nice coffee. But yeah, heading down to the bottom of the town now. There you go. Fireworks. Minehead fishermen. Crowds on Minehead Beach. I bet that would be an spectacle to witness. Beach Hotel Minehead, which I think that's it, yeah, there. Minehead Harbour by Jerome. Oh, there's the harbour. Pink moon on Minehead Seafront. Minehead had a pier. We moved during World War II. Jubilee Gardens. So that comes to the conclusion of my Minehead walking tour. It's a really nice little town, to be fair. Nice beach, nice harbour over there. Highly recommend it. I'm not in the height of the season at the moment. However, it is quite busy. People walking around, having a stroll. But I'm walking back now towards Butlins up there. Yeah. Why don't you have a day visit down to Minehead? You can get day passes to Butlins. Just have a quick, just come down here, have a look. Honestly, really worth the time, really worth the journey. Yeah. Make sure you stay tuned. More content coming up. Press the like button, hit the bell, and subscribe for more content.